Welcome, everyone. Today, we are starting the third day of our challenge. This is not just another day. It is an important step in our journey. Day 3 is always a turning point, because it is here where confidence builds, momentum grows, and the direction of the challenge becomes clearer. Today is the third day of our $1,500 to $4,000 challenge. And step by step, we are proving what is possible when discipline meets technology. Once again, I remind you before we move forward, subscribe to our channel right now, like this video, comment below with your questions, and if you want to connect directly, text us on WhatsApp. We are here for you. This community is growing because of your support, and your engagement helps us build even stronger connections. So, welcome once again to Day 3 of the challenge. This challenge was selected by our team because after our vacation, it was important to start fresh, and more people in our community voted to begin with $1,500. So we listened to you, and we started this challenge from $1,500 with a clear target of reaching $4,000. That is the goal, and we are confident that just like before, we will reach this target, because Alpha Deriv Bot has already proven its consistency again and again. Let me ask you directly, how is your trading going? Are you making profit? Or are you struggling with losses? Be honest in the comments, because when you share your experience, others learn. And when you engage, we answer your questions with transparency. This is not only about us. It is about building a family of traders who trust each other and grow together. Now, let us talk about the market. The crypto markets are moving fast. The Forex markets are showing volatility. And in these conditions, most manual traders lose money. But with Deriv, you have an edge, because Deriv provides powerful volatility indices. And when you combine Deriv with our premium bot, the results are extraordinary. This is why we say Deriv is the best option for traders who want stability and structure. Yes, today is the third day of our challenge. And this challenge was started on your demand. We listen to you, we adapt with you, and together we prove the strength of automation. In our last challenge, we grew an account from $250 to $950 in just 7 days. That was not luck. That was the system working with discipline. Alpha Deriv Bot has now become a name of trust, and this challenge will make that trust even stronger. So today, on the third day of our $1,500 to $4,000 challenge, we began by analyzing the market. We checked Volatility 10. We checked Volatility 25. We looked at different indices, but Volatility 51 was the most suitable. We selected it with precision. We set a stop loss of $220. We set a take profit of $430, and we used a stake size of $38.61. After verifying every setting, we went to dbot. Our bot was loaded. The strategy was ready, and we pressed start. Now let us pause here. Why do we show you every step? Because we believe in transparency. We want you to see the process. But keep in mind, the analysis we do live is only for demonstration. Behind the scenes, the analysis is much deeper, much more detailed. That is why the bot performs with such accuracy. And now, let us talk about motivation. Because motivation is what drives decisions. And decisions are what create change in your life. When you see Alpha Deriv Bot trading, you are not watching random entries. You are watching a system that has been built with years of experience. It is not just a bot. It is a result of testing, refining, and improving over time. This bot does not get emotional. It does not panic when the market moves. It does not become greedy after a win. It follows discipline. It follows logic. And that is why it consistently outperforms manual decisions. Think about it. How many times have you lost because of emotions? How many times have you entered a trade too early or too late because of fear? With Alpha Deriv Bot, that problem is eliminated. You gain peace of mind. You gain structure. And you gain consistency. When you use this bot, you're no longer guessing. You're no longer relying on luck. You're following rules. And rules create results. Every challenge we show you is not just proof of profit. It is proof of trust. Because when you see it live, you know this is real. This is not theory. This is not a promise. This is a live demonstration. If you have been struggling, think about what it would mean to finally trade with confidence, to finally have a system that does not break under pressure, to finally see growth that is structured and reliable. That is the difference Alpha Deriv Bot makes. Now, let us move back to the results of today. After launching our premium bot on day 3, it took just 18 minutes to reach our take profit target. The bot executed 121 trades. Out of those trades, 117 were wins, and only 4 were losses. That is accuracy you cannot find elsewhere. That is performance that speaks for itself. We secured a profit of $430 on a balance that started at $2,174, and that shows the consistency of the system. Day 3 is now completed, and the challenge continues. Step by step, we are moving toward the $4,000 target. And every day is another proof of the power of Alpha Deriv Bot. Let me motivate you once more. Every trade is not just about money. It is about building trust in yourself. It is about proving that with discipline you can achieve results that others only dream of. Our bot is not magic. It is a result of strategy. And strategy is what makes trading sustainable. Day after day, challenge after challenge, Alpha Deriv Bot has delivered. And that is why we say it is a name of trust. As we close today's video, let me remind you, withdrawals are coming next. And withdrawals are the true proof of profit. When money leaves the account and comes into your hands, that is when you realize the power of trading with discipline. We will show you the withdrawals. We will show you the results. And we will continue to prove what this bot can do. If you want to know more, visit our website, www.alphaderivbot.com. There you can find full details about the bots, about the company, and about how we support you. Alpha Deriv Bot is more than just a product. It is a community. It is a journey. And it is an opportunity for you to grow with structure and trust.